In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview about the AsChief product poster. Now, the AsChief product poster is a really handy program. Now, what this does is it's used to post the products that you've collected or the ASINs that you've collected using AsChief or any other program that you've got ASINs from, to post that product onto your WordPress websites, whether they be new websites or existing websites. The software can actually create websites on the fly. So that's a really handy feature. So what it's doing is it's going to produce you affiliate links in the posts for the products that you wish to post. It can also drip feed content, and you can set the schedule to when you want to post. So let's talk you through it. I won't actually post now live because it's actually run on a schedule, but I will show you a post or one of the posts that it's created. It makes different types of posts and it does change things up a bit, which is good for the search engines. The software has got full tutorials, so if you click the link in the corner, then it will come up with a tutorials window. You can click on them and it'll open videos, bite-sized videos for each topic. We've also got a full walkthrough which demos the software from start to finish, including posting, and that's used by clicking that walkthrough overview link there. Okay, so back to the software. Okay, we've got a log screen. We click there, which will tell you exactly what the post has been doing, and the poster engine. The poster engine will run hidden, as I said. It runs on a schedule. So let's go to Add Campaign and see what it's all about. Okay, so the first thing what you would do is you would type in your campaign here. So let's say, okay, and then you type in your WordPress URL. And then you'll type in your WordPress username, for example, and whatever password. This is just dummy data, because as I said, it actually creates on a schedule in the background. This is the main user interface for it as such. So the options are really easy. So let's say you want to, what that would do there, by just entering these details here, this would be if you wanted to use an existing WordPress site. So it's going to create a page or pages, posts, for your products on that site. Okay, so what else we can do is we can decide whether we want to install a theme or not. If we want to install a theme, we can pick from popular ones here. Or if you wanted to install online themes from the WordPress repository, if you do pick a theme, you need to turn that off. So if you wanted online themes, you can turn that on, and then you click Get Themes, and it'll populate this menu here. And when it's done, you can see it says Themes Generated there. So now this menu is actually populated, and we can click on it, and we got some nice online themes that we can use. We've also got a search to make things a bit easier. So let's say we wanted something to do with SEO. We could click that. Okay, we've also added in features for posting to Facebook. So you could turn that on and posting to Twitter. And what that will do is when your post is made, it'll actually post to Facebook and post to Twitter with the link to your blog post or page. If you are going to create a new site, then you click that, and then you click here, Set Details for New Site Creation. So we click that, and then we've got all the details that you're going to need. Your database name, username for the database, password. So all your database details go in here. Site, website titles and email. You can choose a picture for your logo if you want to use your business logo, and then you can click that on. You can put your business email and contact details, business address. This is used for the About Us and stuff. You can put in optional About Us text if you want to personalize that a little bit more, and the same with your privacy policy and terms of service. Now these are optional. If you want to create them, you fill in the boxes and turn that on, and if you don't, you turn it off. So that's really, really easy to use. You would create your database in cPanel or whichever control panel that you use for your web host. You'll have to consult your web host obviously to find out which one that they're using on how to create the databases, but they are pretty easy. There's a wizard usually to do that. Okay, so let's go back off that page now. So let's say we've filled in our information for our site that we want to post to, and it's an existing site. So we'd have that off because we don't want to install a new theme because it'd already have one on there. So we click that on for do not install theme. I don't want it to post to Twitter. I don't want it to post to Facebook. I don't need to set that on because it's not a new installation. Now you've got to set your API details. So you click that and you can set all your API details. If you're using Facebook and Twitter, then you can set these as well for your API stuff. You can set your Amazon marketplace for your country. We've got all the marketplaces in, and you need to set your Amazon API key details and also your YouTube API key. Now these here are mandatory because without these we can't create a post. Okay, so the next part, once you've filled all this in and you've set your APIs, you go to select products. So we click select products, and then what we do, you can either type in your ASINs here, the numbers, or you can select a file of ASINs. And this is how many ASINs, so one ASIN equals one product usually. So this is how many ASINs that you want to post in that session. So let's say we want to do 4 posts and we want to do it once a day, then we could use that. If we wanted to do it once a week or twice a week, once a month. So you can see the different scheduling options there. And what that will do is it will go either based on this once a day, and it will post, since I post here, so let me do that right now. So just for the dummy campaign, and it'll post them based on that schedule. So it'd post 4 ASINs and once a day. Okay, so we've got them ASINs in now. Let me click out of that, and then all we do next is create campaign. So we click create campaign. Oh, would help if I type in an associate tag. So you need to fill out your associate details first, which I should have obviously done. Now these are obviously, I won't save them because it'll probably save over my details. Okay, so then we click create campaign. Okay, so when the campaign's created, it'll say down in the status message, campaign created. So that's then all good to go. You can close the software and then it will go and do its posting as per the schedule that you set when you pick select products. Okay, so the next thing, let's say you've already got a campaign. Oh, we can go to the logs and it'll tell us what that we've done. So let's say we've got an existing campaign and you want to add to it or delete it or, anything like that. So we click on edit campaign, and as you can see, all the campaigns that we've done here will be listed here. So there's the one that I've got there. And then again, you can click that and then you click set campaign and it'll set it to that campaign. It's obviously set on that now because I've already just done it. And then if you wanted to change your posting schedule, you can do that. If you wanted to delete the campaign, then you could do that. You can import more ASINs from a file. You can change the number of ASINs per session. And you can also paste your ASINs in if you was going to paste any more in. So you can add to campaigns as you go in. So it'll drip feed, it'll have more content to drip feed to your posts and sites. You can obviously click save changes and it would save all these changes then. You can click clear ASINs and it'll get rid of them ASINs. So as you can see, it's really, really easy to use. Once you've set your stuff again, you can just close it because the actual product poster engine will run in the background as per your schedule. So that's it for the demo. What I will do before I go though quickly is I'll just show you one of the posts that it's created. Now bear in mind these will look totally different depending on what themes that you use, what themes that you're using, what products that you use. The information posts in different layouts and different styles, so you know it changes things up a bit. But let's just show you one. Let me just pause this video for a second while I get a browser up and show you a product that we've posted. Okay, so we've got the product, one of the products that we've posted here, and you can see you've got a nice related video review. You've got visit on Amazon and add to cart, so the add to cart gives you the nice long cookie. Visit on Amazon, these are using your affiliate links that you put in the software. And also we've got shop related products for Amazon, so you've got the Amazon widget there and also the disclaimer at the bottom. Like I said, these posts can change, the layouts can change, and it all depends on what themes that you're using. But there's a basic post with some nice content on it showing you what AsChief Product Poster can do. So I hope you watched the video in full. Do watch the tutorials. If you do have any problems, please don't hesitate to submit a ticket, and either myself, Jane, or one of my staff will help. You can contact support via clicking the link there, and it's in all the software. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the other side.